I'm filming.
We've got to take the water down there with them, so they'll take you down to where the water is. Right then, come on then. Take them down to we'll feed them here because it's dry dog food. They need water with dry dog food. You don't need to dehydrate. Where's your brother? He's gone missing, isn't he? Let's give you some water. Look, you drank everything you had yesterday. I'll open that in a minute. Yeah, look. Look. Oh, that's nice. Thirsty. Must be about 30 something degrees today, and they haven't got any water. So fill it right up. He's trying to open the packet himself now. No, it's not all yours. It's not. No, it's not all yours. No, you have to share. Come on. Don't knock the water. All right. All right. Oh, don't be nasty. Yeah. Look, some for you. Yeah. And some for you. Yeah. You have yours there. Yeah. Some for you. You're hungry. And you've got your bone as well. Yeah, 2 bones each. No. You had the others yesterday. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, look, bone. Bone. No, you've got yours. Oh no, you've nicked a bone now. You whipped that out of my hand so quick. Yeah, I know you like those bones. Get you some more. It's the last of those. Too late, she's got it. You come on, you've got a whole pile. I haven't got no more bones. I'll get some more. I'll get some more. Yeah, look. You don't want stones, do you? No, they're stones. Here. Come on. No, look, you can't have both lots. No, no. You let me choke you now.
All the things of food that people
little one's not having any. Oh no, don't do that. Let's give you a pile over there. Give you a pile over there. No, you can't have that as well. You're greedy. You've got yours, look. No, rattle that over there. Keep him busy over there while I give this one some. Keep that, rattle that over there, Rich. Come down here. Oi. Right, go on. You go over there. You got some. Go on. Yeah. Mosquitoes. Yeah. No, you've got some. Yeah, look. Yeah. Yeah. You eat these then.
He wants it all.
I know. Oh, you tipped the water away now. Oh, look, you won't have any left. There, you got to put over some. I bought a big bottle, wasn't it? Hopefully you'll be with us for the winter. Because when it snows, it's 3 foot or 4 foot deep. There's no chance of them getting food. Or water really, unless they eat the snow. So they won't survive. Save this little bit, then we'll give this little bit to you tomorrow. Get some more bones. I wonder if she'll let me stroke her. Give us a hello. Give us a hello. Look. What's that? There you go, now you lick your fingers. Take that then. Take that then. Yeah. There's a good girl. A good girl. Oh, that's the nearest I've got. First time I've ever stroked her on the head. First time. Not so frightened now. You let you stroke him, and he's not food aggressive either. Well, not at the moment anyway. Not unless she wants it. Alright then, let's go. They've got water, so they'll be alright.